How to turn on videos from people you may know notifications on TikTok. Today guys, I will show you and teach you how to do this. Just watch this video until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe in our channel. So let's start. First you will just go to TikTok and open it. Then when you will open your TikTok, you have just go to profile here. Open your profile. Then on profile, go to this three line here, click on it, then go to settings and privacy, click on it, and then go to notifications. And go down, you will find videos, suggestion. You go to video from people you may know, and you have to turn on this by clicking here on this place, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next video.